Hello everyone, today I will show you how to change a fillable text box position or move it on. Open your fillable PDF from Foxit PDF Editor and adjust this fillable text box position. Now click on this function, this menu bar, and here you will find this text field icon. Click here. As is, all of this text field are ready for editing. Now click on this text box and select. Now press your up and down arrow and move it and right and left. Also click here, and also you can use your mouse cursor and move it anywhere and see this. And also two of this text box I'll select properties option and align, and this is horizontal align, and see this. In this way you can move your favorite text field on your PDF form. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.